Cybersecurity, getting it right. Cybercrime continues to be an ongoing concern for businesses of all sizes. Antivirus and endpoint protection software continues to provide protection from ongoing attacks by cybercriminals. But it's not enough. A strong defense requires more. Businesses need to identify their vulnerabilities. Penetration testing approaches the network from the outside, testing firewalls, scanning open ports, testing SSH, and more. Managed detection response looks at the network from the inside. Vulnerability scanning checks for weaknesses in web applications, passwords, access to data, and areas that make the network vulnerable to attack. Awareness training educates users to recognize cyber threats that are a daily occurrence. All this can be daunting, but you don't have to go it alone. To learn more about protecting your data, contact info@contactsolutions.com or call us at 585-621-9303.